Hello students, welcome to online classes from KB Rai Academy. I am Arun Pandey. I am going to discuss class 7 subject science chapter 2, and the name of the chapter is nutrition in animals. So inside chapter 2, nutrition in animals, today I am going to describe steps in animals nutrition. So what about steps in animal nutrition? So inside steps in animal nutrition, majority of animals take food. Majority of animals take food in the form of solid. Majority of animals take food in the form of solid. This form of nutrition in which food is eaten in solid form is called holozoic nutrition. So this form of nutrition in which organism takes solid food, that means this form of nutrition in which food is eaten in solid form, that means mode of nutrition in which food is eaten in solid form, is called holozoic nutrition. As the food eaten consists of complex substances such as carbohydrate, proteins, these are broken down in the animal's body to utilize the nutrients. As the food consists of complex substances such as protein and carbohydrate, and that protein and carbohydrate when go inside the organism's body, then organism broken down into simpler ones to utilize them and get energy from them. So the food eaten by animal undergo 5 steps. The food which eat animals undergo 5 steps. What are the 5 steps? 5 steps are ingestion number 1, and number 2 digestion, number 3 absorption, number 4 assimilation, and 5th will be egestion. So one by one I will describe steps of holozoic nutrition. So first of all, ingestion. Ingestion, the process by which food is taken inside the body. The process by which food is taken inside the body is called ingestion. So what about digestion? Ingestion. Then what about digestion? So digestion we will discuss after 2 moments. But in ingestion, return back to ingestion. So inside ingestion, different organism use different method to get food. Different organism, and the different organism obtains and apply different mode of taking nutrition. These are special structures in each organism for taking food inside their body. So there are special structure for taking the food, special structure for ingestion the food. So mode of obtaining food in case of some organisms such as in amoeba, false food. In amoeba, false feet or pseudopodia is the organ of ingestion, and spider web, a web to catch a prey. A spider weaves a web. That means spider ingestive organ of ingestion in spider, that will be web. And Butterfly feeding tube. Butterfly uses its feeding tube to suck nectar from flowers. So ingestive organ of butterfly will be feeding tube. The mosquito feed on the blood of animals and obtains their feeding tube by sucking. Mosquito feed on the blood of animals and obtains it through by feeding tube. So ingestive organ of mosquito will also feeding tube. A frog uses tongue for ingestion of food. So ingestive organ of frog will be their tongue. So a starfish gets its food in an amazing method. It has on small animals like snails, fish and worms. The feet present in the body of starfish capture the food. So ingestive organ in starfish is the feet in their body. Now the starfish pops out of stomach through the mouth and wrap the stomach around the captured animals. The starfish wrap their stomach around the captured prey. So stomach then withdrawn into the body and food is digested. Like this, food is digested. So snake like the python swallow the animal. They swallow completely the animal. We use our hands to put food inside our mouth. We use our hands. So ingestive organ for us. Ingestive organs for all animals, all humans, Ingestive organ for all human beings is their hands. Now I am going to describe digestion. The food taken in is solid and complex. The food that we take, that we ingest is solid and complex. The process by converting or broken down complex food into simpler ones or soluble form is called digestion. The process by which complex food is converted into simpler ones is called digestion. Most animals use both physical and chemical method for converting the complex food into simpler soluble form. Most animals use both method, physical method as well as chemical method to broken down into complex food material into simpler ones. So now absorption, it is the process by which the digested nutrient is taken in different part of the body by the circulatory system. So it is the process, absorption is the process by which the digested nutrients, are taken different part of the body by the circulatory system. And then assimilation, the process of using absorbed food molecules to producing energy and growth. This is assimilation. And egestion, the process of removing undigested food nutrients, is called egestion. So I think that this much enough. Thanks.